Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where we simplify Linux, scripting and cloud technologies step by step. In today's video, I will show you how to add single line and multi-line comments in shell scripts. It is an essential skill to make your scripts clear, organized and easier to maintain. Let's get started. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly understand why comments matter. It explains what the script does. It describes complex logic. It temporarily disables the lines during the testing, help others to understand your code easily. Trust me, clear comments can save you hours of confusion later. Now let's see how to add a single line comment in a shell script. For the interest of time, I have a demo script. So in order to add a single line comment, it's simple. Start the line with a hash symbol. Let's open the script using VI editor. Let's say under this package management, I would like to put a comment for this command. For that, go to the insert mode, type hash symbol at the beginning of line. Now save the file. Now during the execution of this script, this line will not be executed because we have put comment using a hash symbol. Alright, what about multi-line comments? Bash doesn't have built-in multi-line comment syntax like other programming languages. But there are a couple of easy workarounds through which we can have multiple line comments in our shell script. The first method is using multiple hash symbols. Let's assume I want to comment out this complete section package management. For that, I have to comment out all of these lines. I can do it using multiple hash symbols. Go to the insert mode again and type hash at the beginning of each line. Now save the file. By using multiple hash symbols, we have completely comment out the package management section here. What if this package management could have 100 plus of lines? Then putting hash in front of each line will take time. So in order to overcome that, we have another method. We call it HereDoc with colon. Let's see how we can implement that. Let me remove the comments. Type here colon, then double less than symbol. In quotes, type comments or comment. At the end, close this section with the comment keyword. Now save this file. This indicates that starts a here document, and everything mentioned between this comment section will be ignored, or we can say that it is commented out. So during the execution of the script, this package management section will be ignored. We can also implement multi-line comments using pure doc without colon. For this, we have to remove this colon only. The rest of the syntax will remain the same. Let's save the file. Everything enclosed in the comment section will be ignored, or we can say it would be commented out. So when we execute the script, this package section will not be executed. If you want to remove these comments, you simply delete the beginning of this here document and delete this comment keyword and save the file. If you are using Vim editor in order to edit the script, then you can use visual mode as well in order to add single or multi-line comments. How we can do that? Let's see. Let's suppose I want to comment out this backup important directory section. For that, what I can do, first I need to enter into the visual mode. For that, type Ctrl V, use keys to select the lines. Now type Shift I. We will enter into the insert mode, type hash symbol. And when you do escape, it will automatically add hash symbol at the beginning of all the selected lines. Now you can save this file. In order to remove these comments in visual mode, again enter into the visual mode by typing Ctrl V, use down arrow keys and select the lines. and press X to delete the hash symbol. Save and close the file. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to add single line or multi-line comments in your shell scripts. If you found this video tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel for more Linux tutorials, scripting tips and cloud guides every week. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all future uploads. Got questions or want to see more scripting tutorials? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.